Welcome back. Today we're making Desi style fish tacos using Amritsari fried cod. Tell us about it.
So Amritsari fried cod, fried fish, basically cut into cubes, cod, marinated in ginger garlic paste, turmeric, lemon, and a little salt. Then battered in a chickpea batter with ajwain, Kashmiri chili powder, cilantro, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, and what have you.
We're going to get to it. We're going to show you how we do it.
Let's go show you how to do this, okay? So here we have our cod marinated in lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, and turmeric. Some cilantro, basin, gram flour, eggs, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, salt, Kashmiri chili powder, green chilies, ajwain, garam masala, and cilantro. And there you have it. So we're going to try our Amritsari fish taco now. It's ready, and
so good.
So it's garnished with some honey chutney made fresh with cilantro, mint, and some cilantro on top, and lemon. Simple.
Check out our honey chutney recipe so you know how to make this.
The link is in the comments below, along with the recipe. I gotta feed you first, my love.
So good. Entitlement.
And we cilantro like we mean it.
As usual.
It's delicious. Simple. You can add some some cucumber to it if you like. Some raw onions for texture and flavor. It's delicious. All yours. I know you wanted, my love. Romanian chef, and I got you. See you on the other side. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and please watch all the videos. Tell us how we can do better for you. What more information, what recipes you'd like, please talk to us. Thank you.
Heavenly, so good.
No, what I did was good.
Yeah, it's great.
Romanian chef, and I got you. I got you. Thank you. 22 years you got me, I know.